So the setting is dominated by some beautiful native deep south trees, and no surprises here. There are live oaks and southern magnolias, and to some extent bald cypress. So that's what you get when you come down here. We are known in spring for our beautiful azaleas, and the ones we grow down here are called Southern Indica, Indica, which are sometimes just called the big azaleas by people who aren't from down here. They see them, we're like, how do you get your azaleas so big? And we're like, we don't do anything except watch them grow. That we have old systems, so irrigation system would be a great one. If you've got issues with your water, even down here where we're blessed with a lot of rainfall, but we just came through almost a 4-week period with no rain, and then that'll stress plants here because our soils are a little on the sandy side, pardon me. So they dry out quicker. But then the second, probably to me, biggest thing is there's just a few invasive species down here that they kind of got established more than they should have. And so the minute you open up an area, that's what comes in, right? You always have a few aggressive natives, but on top of that, we have maybe 2 invasive species that are terrible. And we have to rogue them out before we can really do a lot of new planting. We are in the process of revitalizing our azalea collection. We've taken it from 20 cultivars to over 500 in 2 years. And that's only for the evergreens. And now we're starting to turn some of our firepower towards the deciduous ones. If you don't take care of your soil, then, your plants aren't going to establish as well. And even down here where we can plant almost year round because of the mild winters we have, prepping that soil can make so much difference.